Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two LEVOIT air purifiers. So the one on the left, this is the LEVOIT Core 400S. It's meant for like a larger house, 1900 square feet. On the right, this is the LEVOIT Sprout / baby air purifier. This is meant for a small room. Probably put this in your new baby's room. It's got a lot of features that you would absolutely love. First one is, it does have a night light that you can schedule that to stay on, different brightness levels and turn off. We've got some white noise settings. It also monitors temperature, humidity, CO2 level, particulate matter, and CO2 and TVOC. Now the Core over here, it's going to measure particulate matter and give you the display also. Now both of them have an auto mode, so as your air quality decreases, it can ramp the fan up to clean the air, and then as the air gets clean, it'll ramp the fan back down. Over here on the Sprout Baby, here's the display right here. Again, green means not the best. We want to see blue, but we can change the fan speed right here. Automatic fan speed 1, 2, 3, 4. There's automatic. We can change the light. Now you have more settings with the night light in the VSync app. Both of these will connect to the VSync app. I'm going to show you that here in just a little bit. We've got different sleep modes you can do. We got different sounds. So there's one sound. There's the second sound. Again, you can set these on a timer corresponding with the light. You can adjust the volume. There's 4, kind of some crickets, and then off. Now both of these are going to draw air in on and around the bottom, and then the air comes out the top. Now let's turn them all the way up. They do move quite a bit of air. The Core is definitely going to move a lot more air. It's got a bigger filter. Okay, let's flip them over. Let's take a look at the actual HEPA filter. Again, here's what the baby one looks like. Just a little bit smaller. It does have that pre-filter. You will have to clean that pre-filter. It gets dust on it about once a month, but you'll have to replace this about every 12 months, once a year. This is quite a bit bigger. It's got the same pre-filter and HEPA filter in there, kind of some activated carbon in there. And again, you'll have to replace this about after 1 year, but clean the pre-filter once a month. Let's go over size, and then I'll show you the VSync app. About 20.5 inches tall. The baby is about 13.5 inches tall. It's a circle about 8.5 inches, and this one's about 11 inches. Now here is the Core 400. Again, it's giving us our particulate matter. We got all kinds of settings. We can do different auto modes. You can put it on a schedule and a timer. You can change the fan speed and go to auto. Now, if you click on this, this is going to give you a graph for the week, but it only tells you the particulate matter for the week. It's going to have a graph that shows you. Now, let's show you the Baby Sprout. You get a lot more functions because it does a lot more. You also get temperature. There's the CO2, temperature, humidity. There's the particulate matter that's 1 micron. I forget what those numbers mean, but that's the size of the particulate matter. And again, you put on a schedule, light control. We can do a breathing light. That's pretty cool. It does a breathing. You can change the brightness, the color, temperature, and you can put it on a timer. That's for the breathing. Let's go back here. Let's go just to a night light. Display lock, different auto modes. You got quiet, auto, and efficient. The Core 400 has that also. Smart scenes, but this is just really cool. And it gives you the air quality index. Now, it doesn't graph it for you, but it at least tells you what it is, what 64 means. It means it could be better, but it's not bad. There's the comfort. There's manual. There's the different fan speeds and auto. And then let's go to the baby sleep. These are the different sounds. That it's not coming out of this iPad, it's coming out of the air purifier. You can set what time it closes after, You can set the timer right here. Look how easy that is. That is super nice. So kind of two different air purifiers. This one's meant for a room that you can do lots of monitoring, temperature, humidity, white noise, night light, where this one's meant for a whole house air purifier. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.